Yeah. This is the standard basic tile with gaps of 1 centimeter. And we're gonna make the gap bigger. So we're gonna cut the basic tile for a quarter. Split. And now we're gonna also cut off a small piece here, so cables of, let's say, 2 centimeters can go through. So this is the smaller extra part, the part we separated. And we're gonna cut 2 centimeters off.
That's all there is. That's all there is.
So this is the piece that we cut off, and then you will see we will put. Now you have 2 smaller pieces. The basic tile cut it, and then the connection will be similar. So 4 connectors to connect them to other basic tiles. You can place the aluminium profile over the edge, and you put the carpet tile on top of. And then you see there's a nice gap for bigger plates, or bigger cables, sorry. And you can also walk on it without any problems. You will not even feel the gap.